All right, I've got every boxcar on my layout that I'm giving the ultimate test to the 283. Yes, I even have Christmas cars. I've done it all. He speeds up in the straight, he slows down in the turns, and he will spin his tires, but by golly, he's doing it. That's a 280. Oh, yeah. That shows you how much power he was using. I don't know what happened there. I'm not sure. Oh, that coupler is a little on the high side. I don't think I can. I might be able to adjust it. We'll see. Now this start is really something. You talk about working. That little booger is working. You cannot push it. He'll just spin. He comes out at 15. And I'm giving him 17 in the straight. And that's all I'm going to do. Don't want to cheat, all right? .3 amps, 17 volts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 cars, Austin. 283. Puny little 283, not even a Pullmore. Well, maybe it is. I didn't look. Okay. 20 cars. And my favorite, all right? AC Gilbert. Okay, he's gonna come back around. I'm gonna take him off. And then we're gonna put on the latest and greatest and see what we can do. Can we match the 283? I don't know. This is my favorite engine of all time. Do you know why? My father gave it to me. Doug gave it back. Great guy. And we'll let it rest. We're gonna set it aside and I'll put the other engine on and we'll go. That's it.